Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will give a short intro on vehicle to grid technology in a microgrid using DC fast charging architecture. Well guys, if you want to purchase this file, then I will add link in description below. You can go and purchase this file. And let me share with you base paper. This is the base paper that we are referring. Okay, in this base paper, everything is mentioned. Later, I will compare this result with the simulation result. Well guys, here you can see this is the source, three-phase source, then comes three-phase RLC branch, and then there is a transformer. After transformer there is a measurement, okay, to measure current and voltage values. Then comes LCL filter to remove harmonics. Then comes inverter. Okay, after inverter there is a battery pack. Okay, you can consider this as vehicle 1, vehicle 2. You can consider this as vehicle 1, EV2, EV3, EV4. And in this subsystem there is a logic, okay, control system logic for this inverter. Let's move to base paper. Well guys, here you can see, okay, diagram of this simulation. You can see here this is a source, then comes transformer, then filter, okay, and after filter there is a inverter and off board chargers, then comes EV. And here you can see control strategy for battery charger, and same logic is implemented in this design. Okay, here you can see same logic is implemented, and here you can see inverter control system. Okay, same logic is designed inside this subsystem, and here you can see total 6 pulses, that is S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 and S6. Okay, it is passed with the help of go to and from block. Here you can see. And guys, here you can see, just read this. The initial SOC of battery, EV batteries, is set at 50%. Well, the initial state of charge is set to 50%. Once the steady state conditions are reached, the batteries of EV1 and EV2 are operated to perform, here you can see, vehicle to grid and grid to vehicle power transfer. And the current set points given to the battery charging circuits of EV1 and EV2 are shown in the table 1. We will compare results. Wait, I will run simulation, and here you can see current set points of EV1 and EV2. And here you can see waveform of EV1 and EV2. Now let me run this design and we will check results. We will verify our results. It will take few seconds. Okay guys, here you can see results. You can verify current, SOC value and voltage value. Here you can see current, and this one is SOC waveform. Here you can compare, okay, EV1 waveform with this waveform. Okay, here you can see it is exactly same, almost same it is. Here you can see the current, okay, set current. Here, just read this current set point to EV1 battery from 0 to 1 second it will be 0, and from 1 to 4 seconds it will be plus 80, Then from 4 to 6 it will be again 0. Here you can see waveform, and here you can see from, okay, 0 to 1 it is 0, and from 0 1 to, okay, I will stop this, wait. And from 1 to 4 it is plus 80. Then from 4 to 6, okay, it is again 0. This is how you can compare, okay, base paper results with the simulation result. And you can also see here SOC waveform, and this is a voltage waveform. Now we will check waveform of EV2. Okay, this is the scope for EV2. Well, here you can see, okay, just verify current and SOC value with the base paper. Here you can see for EV2, from 0 to 4 seconds the current will be 0, and from 4 to 6 seconds it will be minus 40. You can see in this waveform, and the SOC will be increasing. In EV1 it will be vehicle to grid operation, and in EV2 it will be grid to vehicle operation. And you can compare, okay, both waveforms. Here you can see the SOC is rising, and you can see current value from 0 to 4 second, okay, it is 0, and after that it will be minus 40. Okay, the results are same, okay, as mentioned in this base paper. Well guys, if you want to purchase this file, then I will add link in description below. You can select this project for your final year. Okay, if you are in final year, then you can select this project. Well, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.